Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a colorful page border in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Design tab up at the top, and then on the far right side, select Page Borders. Now, select whatever border size you want, and if you want it to be colorful, I recommend making the width larger than the default, which is normally a half a point. So I'm actually going to make it 6 points here, and I'm going to select for color. You can select any color you want, or you can select a custom color by selecting more colors, and then select it from this list. And again, you guys can choose various styles on here. And where it says apply to, if you want to set to the whole document, you can just do that. The first page only, or everything except for the first page, or just this particular page in general. You can also orient the border differently depending if you want to enable it on all four sides, perhaps. Select OK once you've made your selection. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.